Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Veo free in Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started typing prompts. So keep in mind that you need to go ahead and log into your Google account to be able to send prompts. If you do not so, you will not be able to use Gemini. So once you're logged in this prompt page, we can get started. And using Google's Veo 3.1 in Gemini is very easy, and this is accessing an AI premium plan. So basically you're going to need a premium subscription to be able to use Veo free. Keep that in mind, you cannot do so with the free plan. What you can do is go ahead and open up your account settings right here by swiping to the right, and it's going to enable you to go ahead and activate a premium plan that's going to cost you money. But once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and be able to use Gemini and Veo free. You can go ahead and select the video tool that's going to be available right here in the plus button. As you can see, without the premium plan you can only create images, but with Veo 3 you're going to go and be able to create videos. You can type out your prompt normally, select what kind of video you want to make, send a prompt just like normal chatting, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.